Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, November 12, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. Just a little tired. Yesterday's meeting was long. How about you?
I'm fine. Ready for another busy day. This coffee machine is my best friend in the morning.
Mine too. It helps me wake up. Black coffee for me today.
Good choice. I add a bit of milk. Hey, did you catch the news this week? There's some big stuff going on.
Yes, I saw a few stories. What caught your eye?
First, that thing about China. They launched a new aircraft carrier. It's part of their big Navy buildup.
Oh, right. I read about it on the BBC. It's their third one in 10 years. They call it a Fujian-class carrier.
Yeah, sounds impressive. It's huge, over 300 meters long. Can carry 50 planes or more.
Exactly. It's for the South China Sea area. Shows their power in international politics.
Makes me nervous for business. We sell to Asia sometimes. Trade might get tricky.
True. Governments spend billions on these ships. That's money not going to other places.
Billions? Like $10 billion or something? Crazy amount?
Probably close. It affects economics too. Countries compete for influence.
Right. For sales reps like me, it means watching markets. Clients might change plans.
As a project manager, I think about supply chains. Delays from politics hurt timelines.
Good point. We had that last year with tariffs, slowed everything down.
Yes, remember? Our team waited weeks for parts.
Never again, if I can help it. Anyway, this carrier news is all over the headlines.
It is, makes the world feel smaller. What else is new?
Oh, speaking of news, the BBC story. 2 leaders resigned over edited footage.
The one about Trump's speech? Yes, from 2025? They edited his January 6 words?
Exactly. The documentary changed the meaning, made it look different.
It was controversial. The BBC said it misled viewers on politics.
Big deal. Editing videos wrong can ruin trust. In technology, tools make it easy now.
Software like that is advanced, AI helps edit fast. But ethics matter.
Ethics? In office, we can't fake reports. Same idea.
Right. For projects, we use tech for videos too. Training clips.
Yeah, but we check everything. No shortcuts.
The resignations show accountability. Leaders step down quick.
Good. 2 people gone in 1 week. Sets an example.
It does. In media, trust is everything. People watch news on phones now.
Phones and computers. I saw it on my app during lunch.
Me too. Technology spreads stories fast, good and bad.
True. Fake news is a problem. Clients ask me about real facts.
In meetings, we discuss reliable sources. Helps our work.
Smart. This BBC thing reminds us to be careful.
Definitely. Now another story I saw. The Supreme Court on same-sex marriage.
Oh yeah. They decided not to overturn it. Rights stay the same.
Published recently. It's a big win for society.
Huge. Couples can marry anywhere in the US now. No changes.
The court heard arguments, but kept the 2015 ruling.
2015? That's 10 years ago? Time flies.
It does. This protects families and equality.
In the office, we talk diversity. It's important for teams.
Yes. Project teams need all kinds of people. Makes ideas better.
Sales too. Understand different customers, builds trust.
Exactly. Culture changes slowly, but this helps.
Entertainment shows it more. Movies with gay characters.
TV too. Stories reflect real life.
Glad the court said yes, no going back.
Me too. Society feels more inclusive.
These news connect to our jobs, politics, tech, people.
They do. Keeps conversations interesting at coffee.
Haha. Better than just weather talk.
True. Weather is boring today anyway. Sunny, but cold.
Cold? I need my jacket for the walk to work.
Me too. But coffee warms me up.
Perfect. Hey, about that carrier again. Do you think it changes travel?
Maybe. More ships mean more sea routes watched.
Our company ships products by sea sometimes.
Yes, logistics teams worry about that.
I chat with them. They say routes are busy.
Busy is good for some business, but risks too.
Risks like delays, we plan ahead.
Always. Now the BBC edit. Ever worry about our emails?
Emails, we write clear ones, no tricks.
Good. Tech makes communication easy, but careful words matter.
Like in sales pitches, honest wins deals.
Project updates too. Clear info keeps everyone happy.
Happy teams work better.
Yes, and the marriage decision? Does it affect HR here?
Probably not much. We already support it.
Our policy is inclusive Pride Month events.
Fun events, cake and talks.
Builds team spirit.
Spirit is key. Tired days need it.
I'm less tired now. Coffee works.
Me too. Ready for calls.
I have a meeting at 10 about new software.
Software like the tech news?
A bit helps with projects.
Cool. I use basic tools for sales.
Basics are fine. Keep it simple.
Simple wins. These stories make me think.
Me too. World news in our break?
Short break, long thoughts.
Haha, time to go soon.
Yeah, one more sip.
Enjoy it.
You know, the carrier might boost some industries.
Like shipbuilding? Jobs there?
Jobs everywhere. Economics link.
Global links, our office too.
International clients call me.
Projects span countries.
Exciting. But news like BBC makes me check sources.
Always verify, good habit.
Habit from work helps life.
Yes, Supreme Court news feels positive.
Positive change, society grows.
Grows with us.
Nice talk. See you tomorrow?
Yes, same time.
Great. Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. Stay busy but happy.
Will do, bye.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.